Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. Before we go over the assignments for this week, I just wanted to remind you that the best way to access the material for this course, I know I give you shortcuts here and in the emails. Sometimes there are formatting issues, so if a link is not working, certainly let me know, but the best way to do this is just to go to week 3, and then you can directly click on any of the readings, the discussion post for the week, and go directly there. So I know some of you had some problems with the shortcut links. Another issue from week 3 is the thesis statement workshop. And just to give you an example of some thesis statements that were improved, but that could still be a little bit stronger. So if the original said that, depression is a horrible disease, certainly that is not a strong thesis statement. To say that it could be treated with Prozac is certainly an improvement. However, the word horrible, much like the word interesting and disgusting, are going to probably, weaken your thesis statements because they're pretty difficult to show. So instead of saying the words, if you believe that the songs on WXQP are disgusting, why not give us an example of what is disgusting about them? Is it the, profane language? Is it some of the, is it the particular DJ that introduces the song? So give us an example of what makes them disgusting and perhaps where this evidence is given. So, for example, if there's a study or a poll of this radio station and the songs that they're playing, you can pull directly from those comments to give an idea of how people respond. And then here, instead of making a judgment on the type of disease depression is, why not talk specifically about some of the effects of Prozac on individuals, demonstrating depression. So in the first example, Madonna is sexier than Britney. Go ahead and just kind of remove sexy and talk instead about Madonna having more enduring success due to, higher record sales or, an ability to stay out of the public spotlight or whatever reasons you want to explore that maybe make Madonna, superior to Britney in your eyes, but certainly using these as a guide to showing a debatable topic rather than just a statement of opinion, which doesn't create controversy just by being a strong opinion. And so for week 4, again, this is how you should be going to the material, course material, content, and then just clicking on week 4. For week 4, you should take a look at the revisions. So examples of how you might have improved these thesis statements here, and compare them with your own. This is going to be helpful when you're working on your own essays to figure out if what you're trying to argue is debatable and supportable. So here are some examples of just how to make these thesis statements stronger without using words like disgusting in the process. So if you go back to week 4 and the assignments, we do not have a quiz this week. I want to give you some time to be working on your essays. You do have your papers coming up. They're due week 5. So go ahead and figure out what specific angle you are taking in this paper. You are not talking about higher education. You're talking about a specific problem or issue, and maybe even a specific school, whether that be UA, a study, or a problem that you believe is really important. And I'm giving you examples here. The 2 essays from our textbook, America's Most Overrated Degree and 3 Reasons College Matters. These are 2 examples from your textbook that begin to help you understand 2 sides of this debate, and position yourself in your own paper so that you're not taking both sides. Even if you're not, you don't have to fully take one side. You can acknowledge the counter argument, but you are absolutely suggesting one side to be stronger than the other. And that's all you have for next week. So let me know if you have any questions. And I will see you online. Thanks.